You're freaking me out.
Yeah, we should sit in the car.
No, we can't sit in the car. Let's walk. Come on, sit right there. And if everybody comes out, we just have to sit over here. The light goes off again, we're running.
Okay. Becca, I want to be on this side. And Corey, we're probably going to end up puking. We can both be on this side. Okay, ready? Okay, wait. Ouch. Okay. I'm kind of out of pop. That was weak.
You guys are gonna be sick.
People don't have to burp. You're like, get out of my nose! It's gonna like, you're gonna like not burp and not burp and not burp, and then you get in the car and you're gonna let all loose. It's gonna be like, bruh! No, just keep like little burp. That was nasty. I think I drank too much pop. Me too. You're winning. I suck at this. I need burping lessons. Teach me. Okay, go like this. Wait. I feel one coming. That's what he said. What is up with my little burps? That was cool. My phone! I need a light taco! Stay outside. Tony, you were finishing. It's the second time it's went off.
You girls are supposed to be cheering on these young guys as they carry all that.
Go! I'm losing.
Sorry, Steve.
Ready?
Oh, that was nasty tasting.
You getting that thing right there?
Ready?
Well, grab it. Come on.
Your face. Oh, your burps. That was really bad. Mine's gone.
Alright, so.
I am definitely feeling sick.
Which one of you two is the stronger one?
Burr.
I mean, don't pick out the big one, you pick out this one.
You definitely won. I can't burp.
You guys done?
Yep.